Nice to see you. Come on, get in. And welcome.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. She don't give a hug.
No, I did.
No, you did?
Jennifer's always hugging.
I always hug you, Walter.
The Reverend and myself met with the Regional Director of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, and it was a very important meeting where it became apparent that President Obama is going to have approximately $500 million of government funding available for responsible fatherhood programs.
And healthy marriage.
Right, and healthy marriage programming. So that's
This year.
something, yeah, exactly. So that's something that we have to talk about because this money could be very valuable in promoting the work that the Reverend does. So we need to sit down and get together as soon as possible, and that I do.
Yeah, but it has to go through a not-for-profit.
Right, like either Fathers Who Care, the Fatherhood Education
which we should just bring them together.
Right, exactly.
I mean, come on.
And the Council on Responsible
Absolutely.
Fatherhood. So we really have to talk and get this moving because now that we have a president that supports the work we do, let's push ahead and try and make some change in America.
Show with your host, Attorney Jeffery Leving.
This is Jeffrey Leving with the Jeffrey Leving Father's Rights Legal Show, and it's great to be here again on another important Sunday. And today we have Reverend Walter Jones here as a guest on the show. Crazy Howard McGee is taking this Sunday off, but he'll be here next Sunday. But it's an honor and a pleasure to have Reverend Walter Jones, who's a close friend of mine. We've been working together for many years, promoting responsible fatherhood. And Reverend, it's great to have you on this radio show, especially after the empowerment forum you put on yesterday that I participated in.
Yeah, thank you so very much, Jeffrey. It's always a pleasure to be back and to the safe harvest of what you do.
Well, thank you. And the empowerment forum yesterday was at 3333 West Arthington, which is in Chicago, west of the Loop, and it was sponsored by yourself, and I'd like to thank Congressman Danny K. Davis for his support. And after the event, it was a pleasure to speak to the congressman about important federal legislation he's supporting, which I hope I'll be testifying in support of in Washington, D.C., focused in part on fatherhood issues. So it was very important for me to have spoken with the congressman yesterday because I hope to help promote responsible fatherhood, not just on a state level, but on a federal level as well. And I also would like to thank Senator Lightford for her support of the event, and attorneys Anthony DiAugustino, Maureen Gorman, who participated in the event, and Bill Dowling. Bill's a nice guy out of court, but in court he's an animal. I hate to have a case against him.